Greetings, tech enthusiasts! Today we have an incredibly useful topic to discuss: how to limit download speed in Chrome. We've all been in situations where a download monopolizes our internet bandwidth, slowing down our entire browsing experience. But fear not, in this video, we'll show you how to regain control and put a cap on Chrome's download speed. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here is all that you need to do to limit your Chrome download speed. Open Chrome and select the three dots. Find More Tools and click on Developer Tools. Select Settings by clicking the gear icon on the top right part of the Developer Tools window. Select the Throttling tab to get access to the Network Throttling Profiles screen. Select Add Custom Profile to create your new custom profile. You will have to enter the download speed limit in kbs. You can also limit the upload speed if needed. Be careful not to exceed your maximum bandwidth. Set the rates to your liking and enter a profile name for it. Complete the process by clicking Add. That's all you need to do to limit the download speed on Chrome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay tuned for exciting content.